केले मिडिया आम्ही तुमकां सगळ्यांक सांगपाक शकता हांगा आम्ही सगळे ऑनलायन केला आता आयज कितें ते ऑनलायन करून पळयले आता ऑनलायन जायना तुमचे कडेन आमचे डिसिजन पास करपाक तुमकां आमचे ऑनलायन क्लासीस ऑनलायन करपाक जायना एग्जाम ना जाल्यार पोस्टपोन करपाक जायना जाल्यार फाल्यां आमी गोवा बोर्डाक येतले आनी आमी बसतले थंय आनी इफ थंय आमकां कितें कितें सोल्युशन मेळना जाल्यार आमी सीएमाच्या घरा वचपाक रेडी आसा आमी सगळे भुरगे सीएमाच्या घरा वचून थंयच बसतले कोण केन्ना आमकां तेंचे रिप्लाय मेळटले तेन्ना वी आर वेटिंग फॉर हिज रिप्लाय टुडे सीएम प्लीज टेक इन कन्सिडर आयज आमकां रिप्लाय जाय तुमचो. The students are giving a warning. Don't take us lightly. We are the future of the nation. The students are the future of the nation. They have to be taken seriously. And this is an online protest that is happening first time in the history that an online protest just to make sure a symbolic protest to ensure that our voice is reached. It reaches the authorities. This is a genuine concern that we are keeping. As you can see, more than 5 meetings are going on. In 1 week, more than 100 members are there. More than 5 weeks. In Ponta only 500 people are in weeks. We are taking online week for postponing our exam. Please take in consider CM and Goa Board.
As you can see, थोडे लोक म्हणतात की कोण फक्त बॅक बेंचर्स उलयता आमी सगळे बॅक बेंचर्स न्हू बाबा आमी वी केअर फॉर द स्टुडंट सो वी आर कमिंग आउट एंड फायटिंग फॉर वी नीड युअर सपोर्ट पण हांगा जो कमेंट खूब जाण म्हणटा पळय वी नीड टू कॅन्सल जावपा ना बाबा वी आर सेइंग कॅन्सल जावपाकूच ना बिकॉज वी आर 12 बोर्ड्स आवर ओनली पॉइंट टू द गव्हर्नमेंट इज फॉर दिस मोमेंट यू प्लीज पोस्टपोन द एग्जाम considering the lives of so many students and considering the fact that they have families. Everybody are not as immune as like the students. Everybody's family have asthma patient, diabetes. Please care for your families and please take this motive, come and support us tomorrow. Whatever we are going to do tomorrow, whatever lead we'll have, we'll just inform us. Kindly, we need your support tomorrow. Thank you. We would like to say something, our union leader.
So we are ending this protest, this symbolic protest, wherein people across Goa have been participated. In Ponta itself, there were more than 500 people just on the Google Meet, and across there are more than 5 meetings that have taken place. So it's an appeal. We'll end this and then we'll go for the online people who want to talk, who want to put their message in front of the people. This is an appeal that tomorrow we want to see you all in Goa Board at 9:30 sharp. Very good evening to everyone watching this through the online mode. We're going through a pandemic, a very difficult time, a difficult pandemic, and a time when it's not possible for people to come out. It's not possible. It's very dangerous for people to come out. And at such a time, the students across Goa, in Margao, in Maksa, in Ponda, and this is the multiple times that the students across Goa come out with one voice, one united voice. The students of Goa have come out with one united voice that the education minister, who is the CM, and the Goa board has to take into consideration this pandemic and make sure that the exams are postponed. Before wasting any other time, I just want to make an appeal, since you are all here on the online platform and people who are here, and appeal that if our demand that we are making, the students of Goa making continuously, is not achieved by tonight, then tomorrow the students across Goa have to come out and go to Goa University, Goa Board to ensure that the postponement of examination happens. And this is a warning. This is a warning to the Goa Board. This is a warning to the government. This is a warning to the CM that by tonight, if a decision is not taken across India, we have seen that
exams have been postponed, exams have been cancelled when the cases are increasing. So tomorrow, the students across Goa will be visiting Goa board, and if the Goa board is not ready to listen to our demands, then we will then be going to the CM's house and make sure that the CM takes our matter into consideration, because it is his government, we are his people, we are his students, and it is his responsibility to take care of the entire Goa. Right now there is no proper mention of what a COVID-19 patient has to do, how will he answer his exam, will his year get wasted, and if a COVID-19 patient comes and answers his exam, how many people are under threat? So this is the genuine problem that the faculty is facing, this is a genuine problem that the students are facing, and the entire parent community, the parents are facing. So this is a genuine demand that we are keeping in front of the CM, and by tomorrow, by tonight, if this is not happening, you will see us tomorrow. So this is an appeal to all the students.